Hey ladies and gentlemen, we're going to physically look at the brakes through the camera's eyes without removing the tires. Show you how simple it is. My camera's on my chin and I'm physically at the same height as I'm looking, inspecting. It's impossible to see how much brake life is left. Yeah, I look like I could go some more. Unless you can see them that way, you must have the best eyes. You must remove the wheels to really get to see how much brake life you got left. So on that note, you all have a great day. I'll catch you on another video.